Good Tuesday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather. And let's go ahead and take a look at today's outlook. What we're going to talk about in today's outlook is today's forecast. The dry conditions are here, but for how long? We'll talk about that here in just a minute in the 6-day forecast. We're also going to take a look at something that happened in today's weather history in Southwest Arkansas for a brief moment there as well. So real quickly here, let's take a look at current temperatures as of 10:20 this morning. At the time of recording this, you can see temperatures already warming up nicely into the upper 70s down here, near 80 degrees across Texarkana, Magnolia, El Dorado, and Camden. Lower 70s up here in Mena, Mount Ida, Hot Springs, Arkadelphia areas. Those trends are going to continue. Those trends will continue throughout the day today. And then taking a look at satellite, we do have some cloud cover, so mostly sunny skies look likely throughout the day. Some high-level cloud cover, but for the most part, sunny skies look likely. This is going to probably trend throughout the day today, as you can see here, but some drier conditions will be likely throughout the day today, but we'll continue to watch that and keep you updated on the newest there as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's forecasted highs, and as you can see, temperatures are going to warm up nicely into the lower 80s, lower to mid 80s across most of the area there from Mena to Mount Ida and such. I do think 82 degrees or so, lower 80s could be possible in between Mount Ida and the Glenwood area, the mountain areas and such, that area in far northern Garland County. But then again, as you go elsewhere, pretty much mid 80s look likely for highs. When you go a little further south, you're going to see highs in the upper 80s, maybe even a few 90-degree temperatures will be possible across far southern Arkansas, right there around the Arkansas and Louisiana border as we progress throughout today. Taking a look at overnight lows tonight, you're going to see overnight lows in the lower 60s, lower to mid 60s look likely. A few upper 50s could be possible up there around Mena and then the Ouachita Mountains region. Then as you can see, temperatures in the 60s, overnight lows in the 60s look likely as we progress throughout the day today and into tonight. Taking a look at the area-wide 6-day forecast, as you can see, mostly sunny skies today with highs right there in the mid-80s, mid to upper 80s look likely. A few 90-degree temperatures could be possible with overnight lows around 62. Mostly sunny skies, few clouds will be possible. Then as we head into Wednesday, sunny skies look likely. Can't rule out a cloud or two, but highs are going to be near 90 degrees. But I do think some areas will reach 90 degrees and highs in the upper 80s and such look likely. Basically, we're going to continue that warming trend as we progress throughout this week with sunny and dry conditions. As you can see, we increase into the 90s on Thursday, mid-90s on Friday, and overnight lows continue to increase there as well, with overnight lows in the lower to mid-60s during that time frame. Then as we head into this weekend, sadly, some humidity or some moisture does return, and that could help keep heat in, or could increase heat index values to near the 100 our triple digit range. As we get closer, we'll define those more and such there as well. But some hot conditions, highs above the mid 90s and probably into the mid to upper 90s there on Saturday and Sunday. Overnight lows right there around 70 degrees. We do also have a 30% chance of some rainfall coming Sunday night or Sunday evening into Sunday night, and I do think rain chances will be possible there for your day on Monday as well. So keeping it with sunny skies, I do think we slowly start to see some cloud cover increase there with those rain chances as they increase. Currently have it at 30% for the overnight time frame, or for the evening and overnight time frame there on Sunday. So real quickly here, let's talk a little bit about what happened almost a long time ago, or well, really almost been since 2010 or 2010, so 14 years to be exact here. The Albert Pike flood, a big event that occurred down here in southwest Arkansas over the Albert Pike area. As you can see up here on this map, 8 to 6 inches of rainfall fell right there around the Albert Pike area and in Mount Ida and Glenwood, and 6 to 7 inches of rainfall looks to occur overnight in the overnight hours of June 10th and 11th. Heavy rainfall fell in southern Montgomery County. 6 to 8 inches of rain fell, most of it within the matter of a few hours. Water flowed rapidly down the hillsides, and I've been up there before, and you could basically see it. It just funnels right into the Little Missouri River there, and which if you're from this area in this part of the state, that Little Missouri River can turn to flash flooding very quickly. At Langley, the river rose 20 feet in just a few hours. Sadly, that was the deadliest flash flood in Arkansas history. Sadly, 20 people lost their lives there in the Albert Pike area there as well. And as you can see, that timing, it went from 3 feet to 22 or 23 feet within the matter of from 2 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. That's when we always say flash flooding, take it serious. If you got that chance, or if you are under a flash flood warning, just know it doesn't take long for stuff to rise. You have that chance to, like, in certain areas, rivers will rise when they get a lot of rainfall in a very short matter of time, in creeks and low-lying areas. It's just something that we have, and as always, just make sure you stay weather aware in situations of or make sure you check the weather forecast before you go out into camp or anything of that nature, and make sure you try to keep updated with it the best you can, just in case. I always say this in any sort of weather thing: it's always better to be safe than sorry. Big thanks as always as well to our sponsors: Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, Southwest Ag Services, and Tan Energy and Nutrition. Make sure to check them all out over on Facebook and such as well there. And have a good rest of your Tuesday. We'll be back with the evening or the 6-day forecast tonight over on Facebook, and we'll be back with another morning outlook here on YouTube come tomorrow for your Wednesday, and an update on the rest of the 6-day forecast. As always, have a good rest of your Tuesday, and thank you guys as always for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.